Hello, my dear friend. I welcome you to this episode. And today I want us to look at this simple trick that we all can do to help us to go faster and make our work or our typing so easy and neat as well. I want you to stop doing this manually. Stop giving space manually like this. Stop giving space manually like this. A lot of people give these spaces manually and it is time consuming, and in fact most of these lines or these space giving, most of them are not even in line. You can see here this is longer than this, and this one too is shorter than the two above. So stop giving spaces manually. Okay, stop giving spaces manually. And if you want to stop that, there's a simple trick that I want us to look at, and it's going to help you to give you a neat work, and not just a neat work, it also help you to save time. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to select the text. You get it? That is, you have to highlight all the text, and you right click and choose paragraph. Choose paragraph. I hope you are following. Okay, when this paragraph tab opens, you have to select tabs. Okay, select tabs here. Okay, we have selected the tabs, and this is what appears. So we need to give the stop position, as in the dots that will be counted. We are going to give it to a 10, like this is a stop position. The duration, or when it reaches it should stop at this position. You get it? So we have given our stop position as required, and we have put in 10. Okay, so we need to select the leader. So we are choosing this. In this tutorial, we are choosing the number 2, not just number 2, I mean the second one. The first one is none, the second one, the third, and then the fourth. It all has different styles. So this leader, we are choosing this leader. It has different leader. So this one, the second one, is what we want to use for this tutorial. Okay, so we have selected the second one and press OK. Now you have to press the tab key on the keyboard. Okay, when you press the tab key, you see once you come here, you press, you come here, you press, you come here. So whenever you press the tab key, it automatically do what? Fill the spaces for you. And you see all these are in line, and it is so simple and so easy, and it is also in line. So you can get a chance to write either a page number, like if there is a content, so the page number, you can say this is in page 6, this is page 14, this is page 22, here is page 30, 46, like, and so forth and so forth. You get it? So you can continue. So this makes work so easy, and also make it so attractive, because all these lines will be in line. None of the lines will be longer than the other. So thanks for watching. I will see you in another time. Goodbye.